When pests invade your home and yard, finding a quick and effective solution is key. Check out a few important benefits of using plant-based insecticides. 1. Quick kill. When essential oils are correctly combined, they are an effective pest control solution. When sprayed directly, pests are killed quickly. 2. Residual repellency. Plant-based insecticides provide you with long-lasting protection. The plant oil vapors continue to repel pests, creating a protective barrier. 3. Environmentally friendly. Our products don't persist in the environment or leave behind any harmful residues. They also don't accumulate in groundwater, making them more environmentally friendly. 4. Family friendly. The EPA classifies Maggie's Farm plant-based insecticides as a minimum risk. This means that they are safe to use around children and pets when used as directed. 5. Minimal risk to beneficial insects. Some bugs, like bees, butterflies, and ladybugs, are beneficial in your yard. Since our products don't leave behind toxic residues or accumulate in the environment, there's minimal risk to beneficial insects. They will only be repelled unless sprayed directly. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.